Yo, Charlie, this your boy Mozart again. Hey, Charlie, I told you, say, if you are on this platform, make sure you subscribe, share it to friends, share it's free. Today, too, I'm still at that noisy place. Area 3, one of my favorite food, man. AOG, me video. Alright, bro. Look at me taking this. That's my favorite, man. Capital letters. Taking this, but I'll show you why I'm taking this and how you are going to treat all your clients. Stay tuned. Today I didn't mean to buy, but the thing is very sweet. Let's continue. Set. So today what we are going to talk about is how or why some of your clients are always keeping in touch with you and always they are trying to patronize your business each and every day. When we start making business, we think people get in touch with us just because of our product. Maybe your product A, product B. That's not why Asimasi is coming to you. In Ghana, when you say Asimasi, that means somebody. Yeah, I think if you know it better, just comment in the comment section. So most we think that's why people are coming to us, and that's not why. We always think in a different direction. That's not why they are coming to you. Make sure you subscribe now so that you know why they are coming to you. Make sure you subscribe, give a like button to this video, share to friends and family so that people, you know why your clients always keep coming to you and you know how to keep them. Today I told you I bought this food. It's called they say capital letters here, right? I bought this food because where our shop is a very slow area. It's a very slow area and there's lower patron rate here, so it's very hard for you to be seeing food sellers. It's very hard for you to be seeing food. So you go to a time you come and stay here the whole day where you get no food to buy. So this capital letters, I'm very familiar with it. I know how to eat it very well. So I told the woman who is selling that, make sure you come here every day. I'll buy. So I buy it either I'm hungry or not. And what I do with it is today I'm eating it, but most of the times I just give it to street case. I buy it every day and give it to street case. So the reason why I told her to come here every day is I will not be able to get any food to buy if I'm hungry. So I buy it every day and I give it to street case. If I'm hungry, then I eat it. So this is how some customers are coming to you. I buy it every day. She might think this guy likes my food. He's buying it every day. So let me show you there's that kind of attitude. And now let me be a little bit bossy because a lot of people are patronizing my service. A lot of people, trust me, some of them coming to you don't need your service that time, but they are doing it for a purpose. Just for long-term relationship with you, that it will get to a time they will just call you, bring it, and you. So if they are starting building the relationship, sometimes everything the starting is very nice, and especially if you get into a new relationship, see how it is, the way you attach yourself and do stuff. But when you get to the middle side of it, it's like team building. If you are starting forming, it's very simple. When you get to the storming form, you think maybe the thing is will not work, but definitely it will work if you work hard on it. You solve problems and it will get to a time you'll be inviting her, you'll be calling her, hey Charlie, I need some of your capital letters, deliver to me at this location. She might be saying, this time I won't do. If she does it, I might connect her to some friends that I know because they might need the same service. But if she don't, the opportunity is gone. That's why they said make sure you grab every opportunity that you get. So that's one way most clients come to you. They just come to you, connect with you, build some relationship with you for future business and future opportunities. But if you don't connect well with them, you might lose them. So don't be thinking every customer that is coming to you is purposely here or there to buy. Some come there for other purposes, which I'll be talking about in the subsequent videos. I'll talk about 3 factors why your customers always come to you. If you want me to make that video, make sure you comment, make in the comment section, and make sure you share to at least 10 of your friends so that they all can enjoy that video too as well. Thanks for watching.